Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry and this is Terrifically Thrifted. In case you're new here, by day I'm an environmental scientist, and in my spare time I like to reuse and refurbish secondhand items. And recently this year, myself and my partner bought a house and we have been in the process of renovating part of it, our god room. And so this is just a video just to update you on kind of what has been happening here in this house in terms of renovations. And yeah, so this little video is kind of like a vlog style of the day that we got our insulation installed. And that doesn't really sound very interesting, but it was kind of funny because we got the dates mixed up. It was kind of a mess. Anyways, it was really kind of hectic, and I was recording it not on my camera because I didn't really think of it. I just recorded on my phone, so apologize for the quality not being as high as on my camera. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this little mini vlog of the day that we got our insulation blown in, and we mixed up the days of when they were coming. So as you can tell, as you can probably predict, there was a lot of insanity. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video. Bye! So before the contractors came, my husband and I took out the pink old batting and threw it out in our dumpster. And so this, I didn't really record us doing that because I didn't think it was very interesting, but these are kind of like the before and after pictures. Gosh, absolute mayhem. So we forgot that the contractors are coming today, not tomorrow, so we're like mad rushing to try to move all the stuff, all of our stuff out of the basement so that they can have access to it. So all of that used to be over here, and I still have to move all of this stuff. Fun times. I moved all that. Me. By myself. Me. So I'm all packed up. We have to be out of here for 24 hours while the like spray foam sets and all the like aerosols kind of vent out of our house. So I'm all packed, waiting for Elijah to pack. I have the dog. And we're gonna go to our friend's house and stay there for the night. I mean, we knew that this was gonna happen, but we all thought it was gonna be tomorrow. So that's kind of fun to try to sort this all out the moment they knock on the door. So yeah. But it's okay. We're adaptable, right, Rassie? She's hunting a snake. And you're just pretend like you know what you're doing. Look at that butt wag. So we just got back to our house. So when we hired the contractors to redo the insulation and spray it all in, they recommended us to not be in this house for 24 hours. And so because we got the days wrong of which day they're actually coming, we had to last minute ask our friends if we could stay at their house. So anyways, 24 hours later, we're back at our place and I haven't gone down to see the installation yet. I'm really excited and looking forward to it because my husband said that they did a really good job. So I'm gonna go and check it out. Okay. Let's go see. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it's purple. There you go. Oh my gosh. It's all purple. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not sure if it irritates your skin. But yeah, wow. This is so different than the old school like batting insulation stuff. That's pretty cool. Oh my goodness. It looks like from Power Rangers. I don't know if there was like this one episode of like ooze and there's like this purple stuff. It looks like that purple stuff from Power Rangers. Okay, so that's that wall. Let's check out this room. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's. Wow. Oh wow. They filled the crap out of this. These guys did such a good job. Oh, they even covered our panel so it wouldn't get foam on it. Oh my gosh. Oh. And we also hired them to do up there as well. So I think they sprayed it with foam and then put that batting stuff up there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. So exciting. Oh my goodness, they got some on the I-beam here. Yeah, that doesn't look great. Hi guys. Yeah, so they did a really good job. It is covered, like no part of it is not covered in insulation now. And they told us that they put like 3 inches of this stuff in. So it'll help really insulate and seal all the cracks. So one of the reasons why we wanted to take out the old insulation is because there's mold. And so what's great about this foam stuff is it acts like a vapor barrier and prevents like any moisture from coming in. So it's supposed to prevent any of that moisture coming in from here on out. So that's awesome, and it looks so good. Like I never thought it was gonna be like this purple stuff. They also did our attic, but I won't go up to the attic. It's too creepy up there. But yeah, really happy with it, and I'm so excited with how this room is turning. Yeah, God room, here we come. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure some of you guys can relate to forgetting an important date and having to make it up as you go. If that's happened to you, let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to relate. Sometimes you just gotta be a hot mess and you just gotta make it up, you know? But yeah. All right, guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next week.